AQUA water plant. The water production plant is the largest producer of water from air, seawater and sewage with new energy technology. In this factory, in hot and humid places, and on the seacoast, in 24 hours, up to 100,000 liters of drinking water and water used in agriculture, urban and industry will be produced. Seawater and sewage water, in a covered and shallow pool, are turned into steam using new energy and sent into the factory. Moisture and steam are sucked into the underground cooling system by strong suckers. Inside the factory, up to 100 generators are installed to produce special water, whose condensers are installed in the cooling system. By combining new and old technologies, we produce water on an industrial scale with the lowest cost and occupied space. This system is completely designed by RASHAN company and is ready to enter the market. In this system, humid air and steam quickly reach the dew point and water is produced when it collides with hot air. A sample factory on a 200-meter plot of land, equipped with 96 water generators and 70 ventilation and underground cooling systems, produces 100,000 liters of fresh and purified water to the level of mineral water in 24 hours in a humid environment. This factory is capable of purifying seawater or sewage water in different environments and adding additional options, or returning it to the consumption cycle next to the water dams, where the collected water evaporates and goes out of reach. And the output steam of the power plant sometimes turns into drinking water, and recovers 80% of the water used in greenhouses, and makes low-consumption greenhouses. It supplies water to remote industries and thousands of other uses in supplying the required water. In the design of this factory, we have used all kinds of modern technologies to provide energy and low-consumption devices. The cost of depreciation is very low and the cost of water production is less than $1 per cubic meter. We do this project as a custom and contract management, which ends up with the lowest price for the consumer. In its construction, suitable and durable materials are used, and we guarantee your factory and provide permanent support. We produce water-making plants in any place and for all. A laboratory sample was made in Iran's Soil and Water Research Institute, in Meshkin, Al-Borz Plain, and we have performed preliminary tests. The design team of this project are experts and have university education. The latest scientific achievements have been used in this project. Contact +989123418699 m.adrer@gmail.com